Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Ethereum's bearish U-turn. ETH price momentum fades after 1.6k dollar rejection. Etherix falling further below 1.350 dollar in August as the ETH price rally is losing steam. Ethereum's native token Ether ETH tumbled on July 26, reducing hopes of an extended price recovery. The ETH or slice USD pair dropped by roughly 5%, followed by a modest rebound to over 1.550 Ethereum gets rejected at $1.650. These overnight moves liquidate over $80 million worth of Ether position in the last 24 hours, data from CoinGlass reveals. The CSO action also revealed an underlying bias conflict among traders who have been stuck between two extremely opposite market fundamentals. The first is the euphoria surrounding Ethereum's potential transition to proof of stake in September, which has helped Ether's price to recover 45% month to date. However, this bullish hype is at odds with macroeconomic headwinds, namely the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank's hawkish stance, which put pressure on risk assets and saw either price at 68% from its record high of $4.950 to date. But the short term could provide some upside for ETH price, where Intensi analyzed post the XBT anticipates Ether to undergo an interim upside retracement based on the token's recent swings inside an ascending channel pattern as shown below. In other words, ETH price could hit $1.700 ahead of July's close if the pattern plays out. Bearish divergency. Nonetheless, watching the same recovery trend in conjunction with Ether's 4-hour relative strength index (RSI), a momentum oscillator indicator, shows extreme disparities. Interestingly, Ether's price has been forming high since July 18, while its RSI has been making lower highs simultaneously that show a bearish divergency between ETH price and momentum. Meaningly, bulls have been losing their grip on the market, and a downtrend may follow. It also risks breaking below its ascending channel's lower trend line, which coincide with two more price support: the 54H exponential moving average, 50 to 4H EMA, the red wave, at around $1.500 and the 0.5 fib line near $1.475. Losing this key support would likely push below $1.315, the $0.382 fib line, and the blue 204H EMA wave in August, down 10% to 50% from just price. Should this bearish can play out? It risks failing further below $1.315 in August, and the ETH price rally in losing steam. Ethereum's native token Ether ETH stumbled on July 26, reducing hopes of an extended price recovery. The ETH/USD pair dropped by roughly 5%, followed by a modest rebound to over $1.550. Ethereum gets rejected at $1.650. These overnight moves liquidate over $80 million worth of Ether position in the last 24 hours, data from CoinGlass reveals. This is auction also reveal an underlying bias conflict among traders who have been stuck between two extremely opposite market fundamentals.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.